And we can just dance the night away until we can no more. Shake all the hurt away so you can feel and forget who you used to be. But just tonight, could you just dance the night away?
Alright, we are now playing. I don't know much about Potion Crafter, it just sounded fun, and Ghost thought I would like it. So, we're gonna do this. It's just a classic potion crafting experience. The game is balanced as a developer intended. Okay. Balanced as intended? Okay, we've noticed you're a novice alchemist, wandering the world in search of your destiny. After a long journey, you finally found a place to pry your try. Okay. You found an old abandoned house on the edge of town. Judging by the alchemy equipment and garden, the former owner seemed to have practiced alchemy. Apparently a wizard used to live here, but the layer of dust and the condition of the house suggest that it had been empty for a long time. Okay. You decided to turn the house into a potion shop. After several days of cleaning and preparing, the shop is ready for your first customers. It's time to remember your alchemy skills and start this new life in a new town. Potions are made from ingredients. Take 2, okay, whatever, and it's Terrans and water blossoms from your inventory and throw them into the cauldron. To move ingredients, click and hold the mouse. Drag them to the cauldron and let go. Pay attention, the alchemy map on the laboratory wall. It shows you the path of ingredients created once they have added to the cauldron. Okay. After adding ingredients, you can stir the potion. Stirring the potion advances the potion icon down the path defined by the ingredients. Use a spoon to stir. Click and hold the mouse and move the spoon back and forth until the potion icon on the map reaches the desired position. Stirring alone allows the potion icon to collect experience points. Accumulating experience points lets you level up, but it has no effect on the current potion. Okay. Now the potion icon is touching an unknown effect. To find out what the effect does, you need to add it to the current potion. To add the effect of the potion, you need to bring the water in the cauldron to a boil. Use the bellows to blow up the coals and heat the cauldron to a desired height. Take the bellows by the handle and continue blowing on the coals until there is explosive over the cauldron. Okay, perfect. You've added a new effect to the potion. Healing. To finish making the potion, press Finish Potion. Okay. A mortar and pestles are... okay, yes, this thing. Are his best friend. You can use the mortar and pestle to grind up particularly any ingredients and unlock their potential. This helps you create the same potions using fewer ingredients. Try to create the same potion using just one of the Terran and one water blossom. Take Terran from your inventory, place it in the corner, grind it up with the pedestal until it turns to mush. The more you grind the ingredients, the longer the path the ingredients will make the alchemy map once it's added to the cauldron. Okay. It's not really that hard. Okay. And then add to the cauldron. Complete and grinding up. Okay, yeah, so just do the same thing. It makes such... oh, you can throw it too. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Ah. Stir the potion using the spoon. The hotter the water in the cauldron, the more the effect of the stirring. Okay. I like this. This is very good. Excellent. You made the very same potion, but used half as many ingredients. Your first potion attempt won't always be the most optimal, so experimenting and perfected. If you're happy with the potion you make, save it for the recipe book when you can make the potion in the future. With this click of the button. Save the recipe for your current potion, press save. Okay. Nicely done. You have saved the recipe. Now finish making potions. Okay. Moving between rooms. You are the owner of a potion shop, and your task is not only to brew potions, but also to sell them to customers. A customer has arrived. Go to the shop. Moving between rooms. Use the navigation buttons on the edge of each room. The AW keys and the arrow keys. To go to the shop, click the navigation button on the left or press A button on the arrow. Up here? No, this is a level. This? Okay, I see now the little arrow. Everyday people from all over the town and even from other towns will stop to buy various magic potions. The job is to brew potions in a laboratory and sell them to customers. Many potions can be brewed for a specific purpose, but it is still a good idea to keep a few more popular potions on hand just in case. If a customer likes a potion, it will be clear from their reaction. Offer a potion for sale. It takes from your inventory. Replace it on the recipe. Okay. The amount of gold you will receive from selling the potion is shown by the sell button. With the sell buttons. Okay. The customer needs to this kind of potion. Offer the potion for sale by pricing it on the scale. To make more money on a price, you can try haggling. Successful haggling could significantly increase the price of the potion, but unsuccessful haggling can do the opposite, making it drop. To start, but try haggling for a better price. What do you have for breakfast? Topic. What did you have for breakfast or lunch today? A common topic. A start of conversation. Okay. Are you able to pick these? No, we'll do this. Selling the potion to a customer. I was just walking down the street, minding my own business, when a flower pot fell on out of nowhere and bonked me right on the head. Now I think I have always had a thick skull, or I'd be out cold. But I've got a nice big bump on my head now, and what can I rub on it to make it go away? I'll buy this potion, but I won't pay very much. Often not have a real ready-made potion for certain customers. That's okay. You can always go back to the laboratory and make the potion they need. There's no time limit, so you can focus on the recipe. The client will not leave. Aw, that's nice. That's relaxing. Go to the garden to gather ingredients for the potion. It is located on the right. Okay. Hello. Mice are infested my hut. Have infested my hut. Even though I have a cat, the cat just lies on the cabinet and watches the mice do whatever they please. So I need a vial of rat poison. It'll be easier to poison those rodents than wait for the stupid cat's help. To offer the potions, place them on the scale. Okay. These are different airs. Fire. Death. Death! Give me death. Death. Okay. garden. Okay, so maybe I have to go all the way over here? Okay, yeah. Let's go farther. The enchanted garden is one of the main sources of ingredients for the alchemist. You can grow herbs, mushrooms, and much more. Every day, maturing bushes will produce harvest in the garden, so don't forget to gather it. Harvesting ingredients from adulthood and fire bushes will click count. Okay. Yay! We can water them! Happy day. In order for maturing bushes to produce harvest every day, you must be watered with a watering can and collect the ingredients. Shoots and young bushes won't provide a harvest until they have fully matured. But don't forget to water them, and they will grow to adulthood in the early stage. In their stage in a few days. Okay. Take the watering can and water all the bushes in the garden. Okay. Look at them. Look at the little orange ones. So you have like one of every element. Okay. Stinky mushrooms. Oh, there's a mushroom from the tree. I didn't even see that one. Okay. The customer needs poison, which means you need to create a potion with the poison effect. You will have to look for the most effective effects on your own throughout the map. But remember from the alchemy lessons that such a potion can be made from wood and a fire mill. Okay. Try to make a potion yourself. Don't forget to use the alchemy equipment available. Don't be afraid for a failure. Okay. Look how dirty it is! Oh! Stay in the bot! Finish making it complete. What is this? Is it like finish the potion? Okay. Return to the. Okay. Return back to her. Okay, I've got the potion. How's this sound? Selling the potion. Okay. Let's maybe haggle it. Some respect long swords, some love alchemy, archery, and some even prefer daggers. Who doesn't like to discuss weapons and okay. While the haggling, you can talk to the visitor on various topics. Each visitor has their own set of topics. Oh. Their own set of topics from completely unimportant to very sensitive. The closer the topic is to the visitor's heart, the harder it is to talk about it. So the arrow will move faster, but you can also profit more. Okay. So okay. I see how it is. Hello, this is my yeah. Okay, I'll buy the potion, but I won't pay you much. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Once the last customer leaves the shop, you can have a rest for your bed in your bedroom. It is located above the laboratory. Go to the bedroom at the end of the day. Okay. So it's like a little above me. Sleep. Okay, this is gonna be kind of interesting. I like it already. Excellent. You have refreshed your alchemy knowledge and familiarized yourself with the alchemy equipment. In the attic next to the bed, you find a few ingredients and a ladder for water. Use the ladder to return to the center of the alchemy map and adjust the potion positions. This is your potion shop now, and you decide what to do next. Greet customers, chat, sell potions, haggle, and don't forget to gather ingredients from the Enchanted Garden and gradually explore the alchemy map. Use build mode to move around furniture and decorate. Ooh, this is cool. Sorry, I was looking. Okay, we must go deal with the garden stuff. We must grab what we can for harvestings and water everything. Okay, just make sure it can't click in. Okay. First off, I think maybe a health potion is a good idea to do. Just because I feel like it would be a useful potion to have. This one I had. I'd make such a mess. Alright. Maybe we should have 3 of them. 3 of these nice health potions. Oh, you can actually make more. That's kind of cool. I kind of want to... Okay, let's go further with it. And we'll see. Maybe we'll make one big, immensely amazing one. Oh, there's like bones and stuff. Okay. Stick to what we know then. Sure. Okay. Right. We're gonna do that. Ah! Dirt ball. There we go. Okay. Maybe we should do like 1 poison since we know how to do it. You know? Okay. Okay. Maybe we'll just do 2 potions of 2 potions of healing. I don't know how many we're gonna end up needing. Do what? This is... Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. This is a lot more fun than I thought it was gonna be. Alright, now we're gonna explore. We're gonna start experimenting with what we got. I wonder if it'll tell me what these are. Small amount of experience. Okay. I want to know what the potion is. Okay. So this one isn't going to be helpful if I add it that way. Let's go. Oh! I keep throwing the dirt ball. Something there. Oh my goodness. This is a very fancy one. potion. Damn. I probably don't need to. Okay, let me see if I can find a way to. Oh, I didn't do that. I didn't mean to waste it like that, but it's fine. So yeah, basically, it looks like you'll need 3. I wonder if we'll get better quality stuff. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Yeah, give me this. A little bit of a fancier one. An explosion! Okay. Let's try this. Oh my gosh! My head really hurts, and it keeps waking me awake. Do you have some kind of sleeping tonic that you can offer me? To offer a potion, place on the scale. A sleeping tonic. Got fire, healing, poison. It doesn't really explain what healing does. Does healing... Come on. Okay. 'Cause I'm not sure. Something that actually keeps you, that helps, you know? Oh, I need to actually put it in there. I was like, why is it not stirring? Well, that's why. see if we can find something. Maybe there's some. I want to find something that's like specifically dealing with sleep. Okay. Maybe just a healing thing. Maybe she just needs a healing thing. Better. Okay. I won't have you for it. It'll be fine. It's just 10. I accidentally jammed my fingers and it still hurts. Maybe you can help. Okay. We'll just sell it for you just because it's a healing thing. Hi, are you in the Alchemist? I am the local herbist. I gather plants and sell them. Do you want to see what I have on sale? I think you might have something that might interest you. Show me your goods. Do you sell anything besides herbs? No, let me show you goods. Oh, lovely. You came just in time, by the way. Yeah, I think 2. I don't think you'd take one of my potions, would you? Haggled it down a little bit. That's okay. Okay. I think that's good. I don't want to sell the potions just yet because I don't know what I need. I only sell what I need to know about flowers, herbs, roots, and various berries and fruits. You can buy other things from other merchants. That's fair. Bye-bye. Thank you for the little haul you did it. I need a potion that can get rid of cockroaches, bugs, and other insects. Offer. Ah, you're right. I have pesticides. It's gonna cost you though. Ah, okay. Sale. My behind hurts. I have no idea why. I need to fix it. Do you have any creams? I do not, but give me a second and I can make you something. I think it's just a healing potion is what it is. I did it backwards so that I could get away with grabbing this extra thing. could cost you since it was freshly made. Well, you like the necklace, huh? That's good enough. Won't push my luck too much. I actually accidentally spilled hot soup on my leg. Do you have anything to treat burns? I offer permission. Would that be a healing potion? I feel like that would be a healing potion. Should definitely make more healing potions. Seems to be the best selling right now. I'll just be easy about it this time, you know? Pick and choose my time. Alright. I think we have finished our day out. Learned a new talent. Oh. Okay. And go to the basement. Basement? There's a basement? Oh god, there's a basement. This alchemy machine is badly damaged. Find a machinist who can sell you parts for a new one. Okay. So that might help us make better quality stuff. Let us sleep. I am pooped from mixing and brewing and stirring and guessing what the potions will do. Oh, so much work.
And we can just dance the night away until we get no more. I'll shake all the hurt away so you can feel and forget.